So here is my little office. Okay, whenever I want to watch or do my work for YouTube, for Facebook, Instagram. No, not Instagram. No, not Instagram. Okay, sorry. For YouTube and Canvas. Okay, and my blog. This is where I do it. My little small space. Okay, this one is broken, that one is broken. Only this laptop is not broken yet. So hopefully it's not gonna broke or something. So this one is the laptop where I used to do my works, my YouTube editing, my blog, and my canvas editing video, you know. And then we go, here is my fax. It is called Canon. Okay, and my poems and my cell phone holder and some biscuit for snacking. This one I got for my nieces. This one is from our home bag. Okay, and my pencil holder, my marker, my pen holder, and some small square paper for notes. And beside this messy table is a full book and file of racks of books. There's paper, there's book. This book is for me to write, my cheerleader step 10 minutes, and there's the sticker, and here is the sticker. So whenever I just started it to do this, so whenever I do something, I will put a sticker over here. So there's my list to do, and 5-minute exercise, slow jog, something like that. Okay, that's it. That's my secret. Okay, put it there. And basket, with basket. Okay, there's lot of bunch of things inside there. Solo taps and files for cakes and cupcakes. There's a lot of thing in here. My bills for the ice cream. Okay, for my party planner. Going to have my birthday party soon on October. Here's my bakery checklist order. So there it is when someone to order, and there's some receipt and invoice. This is for the cakes and cupcakes. I do baking too, for some extra cash of money. All right, and this is my YouTube file. So gonna show you what's inside here. So that is my first 10-minute walk exercise that I did, and then then there's a lot of ideas, a lot of list down to do. Yep, sorry, my writing is like a doctor writing. It's not, people don't understand sometimes. And I am next to the window, so I can see, outside while I'm doing my work. And right now it is raining heavily, and of course it's raining season right here right now. So not gonna show you a lot of stuff outside there because there's like a lot of what to say, a lot of people. I mean, a lot of people, houses, and cars outside there. So I'm not gonna show that. So here's my other phone. Okay. So basically, I'm using this phone, but sometimes I use these phones. All right. So I use both of them. So that's all for the um, office tour. So as you can see, oh, there's a black phone. We're not using it anymore. Right now we're using cell phone to call, for calling routine. There's the chair, there's the stair for to go downstairs. I'm upstairs, the office is upstairs. So yes, that's the end of the office tour. So that is my little office just now. So this is where I do a lot of my works. I right now do my work standing up, not sitting down. Okay, I'm trying to lose weight. I don't know. Does it standing up losing weight? I don't know. It's just a myth. But anyway, so that is my small space to do my video editing, my photo editing, my idea for blogs. I do blogging, and my blogging name is Cake for Everyone, I think. So that is the what do you call it? The blog's name. It is called Cakes for Everyone's. Go and watch it out. You can click the link at my YouTube page where you can find my um, blog link. All right, so you just click over there and you can watch my blog. So about my blog, there's like a few cakes baking recipe that I write over there. So there's like sponge cake recipe, cupcake recipe that I personally use for uh, baking and and for like someone order for me. So I do the cupcakes and cakes by that recipe. So I share it with all the people, and it's yeah, that is the blogging side. And then also on my YouTube page, there's this like the what you call the Instagram link and also my Facebook link. So go and check it out, and you can be friends, and we can be friends forever and never. All right. So if it's awkward, so don't do that. So yes, and what else? I think that's it. There is sunshine. As you can see. Yeah. So I was just like finished watching the Nami Nerdies from from Miss what's her name again? Rosanna Pansino. It was kind of funny. It remind me of something, but anyway, it's kind of funny. I know how to do a cake, but I don't know how to do a jelly cake. It's if I do it, it will be like the worst cake ever that I done. So no, I'm not gonna do that. So I did a live on YouTube, exercising over there. So when I finish the live, and then it's like processing into a video, right? So right after that, it's like blocked in a few countries, which is like um, not so cool about that. But anyway, it's still can be seen with other country. So yes, that's it. That is the update for the YouTube. I did a live also in Facebook. There's my friends and my families over there. They joined me and watch me exercising. So there was a great, a great experience to be with. All right. Hey, so right now I am start to do a live exercise on YouTube, and this is what I'm wearing. Energize. It's actually energized. It's like always flipping up by itself. Okay, see, flip up, and yeah, ready to do live. Let's go. Hey, what's up, everyone? So today we are outside at the mall at the Sugar Bun, okay, and we're having our lunch here, and it is the weather here is like it is raining and it stopped raining after that, and it's raining again, and something like that. So yeah. So right after this, I'm going to do my clothes shopping here, and I think I want to buy the spaghetti, the I don't know what the spaghetti shirt or something. I don't know what it's called. So I'm gonna show you after this, okay? I'm done with my shopping. So here is there's like a few more of the t-shirt, tie-dye t-shirt. Okay, so I'm in my night attire right now. I'm with my short pants, night pants. Okay, so I never tried this one. Dairy milk, Cadbury dairy milk crisp crisps it. So let's try it. I'm gonna open it with scissors. So let's see what's inside there. Ooh, I think it's crispy. What do you guys think? Look at that. This is what it looks like from behind. This is the front. Okay, this is the front. This is from behind. I'm gonna taste it. No. Almost gonna bite it. How am I gonna do this? Okay. Well, it tastes like Cadbury chocolate, but it's crispy. So yeah. It tastes good though. It tastes sweet, milky, love it, and it's crispy. It's like you eating potato chips, but a good one potato chip with chocolates. Crispy. Go and buy it. Try it. Mm. So right now, this is what I am listening to in the rainy day. Listening to this and rock and roll. Okay, I have to listening it by earphone because I don't have any speaker right now. I haven't bought it. I haven't buy a speaker. It's not that expensive though, but I don't know. I feel lazy to go to the place where we buy the stuff for the computer. But anyway, I'm using a low and cheap how to say earphones. Listening to John Jett, Make Believe. Okay, I wanna be your dog, bad reputation, Crimson and Clover, You Drive Me Wild, and many more. So that is what I'm listening right now. I did listen it too. I just want to show you for what I listened just now because I've been listening like 4 hours, and that's it. Rock. Rock. Is that rock? Is that it? So just now at the supermarket, I bought Cortex, um, non-moving, okay, and then it's 24 cm, um, 20 packs in this thing, and then they got a free gift of pet pouch. So I'm gonna open it right now and see what's inside. It's a little free gift, and there it is, free pouch, pet pouch. So cute. It's a hashtag she can. okay, and it's pink, and you can open it like this, and you put your pets inside here, inside the bags, because it's, or you can put other stuff in here too, okay, to put your makeups. I mean, it's kind of small, but you know what I mean. So yeah, it's kind of cute. You can put pet inside here, or maybe I use for something else, like for my makeups. Right, there you go. Can you see that? It's like contacts. So cute. Hey people, I just want to show you something. So this is a letter permission distribute flyers and hold a dance audition at Taman Sahabat Jalan Song, and I'm gonna give it to the MBKS, and I hope one day, not right now, maybe, because I'm going to the village Dalat after these weeks, and then so yeah, this one is for the future. I already wrote it, okay, and the chat GPI have rescued me for my broken English over there, and yeah, and I hope it's going to be fine. And I hope that I'm gonna send this letter to the MBKS. All right. Okay, I know I look messy, but anyway, so I wrote the letter. Okay, I already wrote the letter, and then I checked with the chat. What do you call again? Into the chat GPT chat GPT, and it's like automatically give you the correct paragraph and sentence for your uh, letter, for the permission letter. So yes, I hope it's going to be sooner. I'm gonna give the letter, and then yes, I'm scared a bit. So I forgot what's the letter about. The letter is about distribute the I already said it just now, so I'm gonna say it once again. Distribute flyers at Taman Sahabat, and also to hold an dance auditions at Taman Sahabat also. So yes, it's gonna be tough one, because I am gonna do this solo first. Okay, always do this thing solo first, and I hope everything's going to be great. All right, so yes. So we just got the package from the Chingu Closets, and I am excited to see the sweatshirt that is going to be maybe future merchandise for us. So let's see. Okay, but I haven't print out or the logo yet to the sweatshirt. I just want to see the sweatshirt, what it look like. Okay, so let's open the package. I know I look like messy right now, but anyway. So this is what it looks like. Wow. Okay, open this thing. Okay, there's a lid over here. I wonder how is the materials? Oh, it's like, cotton. I'm not mad about it. So this is the sweatshirt and it's size XL. So yeah, let me try out. I think it's fit me. So yeah, it does fit me. But the thing is that here, so this is going to be the sweatshirt, and I'm going to print the cutouts here, and it's going to be cheer up dance screw. So yes, how about that? It's gonna be like cool sweatshirt. All right. Hey, what's up, everyone? So today is Valentine's Day, and as you can see, there's a cam, like a tent over there. They are selling flowers, chocolate, candies, and a lot of stuff like roses. So I'm not going to go there because I don't think they want to be video or something. I don't know. So yeah, happy Valentine's Day. There's the flower. Is that flower? Yes, flower.